Hey everyone, welcome back to Tap Tech, where we dive into the world's next biggest tech moments. If you love seeing what's next, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking the tablet upgrade worth your attention, the new Apple iPad Pro, M5. Yes, the M5 version. Let's go deep, and trust me, you'll want to stick around until the end because there's a surprise twist that could change how you use your device forever. So first, what is this new iPad Pro, M5, what really changes, and more importantly, do you need it? Whether you're in the US, Canada, UK, Australia, Germany, India or any premium country audience, this one is built for you. Let's jump in. Imagine having a tablet that doesn't just feel fast but forces you to rethink what a tablet can be. That's the promise of the iPad Pro M5. Apple has upgraded nearly everything. Let's start with the brain of the machine, the new M5 chip. This isn't just a number bump. Apple says the M5 brings up to 3.5 times faster AI performance compared to the previous M4 iPad Pro. And in graphics? Up to 1.5 times faster 3D rendering. That means if you're editing video, doing 3D work, creative tasks, or heavy multitasking, this is a massive step. But it's not just the chip. The memory architecture, the bandwidth, all boosted. We're talking over 150 gigabytes per second unified memory bandwidth. Storage read/write speeds? Up to twice as fast. In real terms, less waiting, more doing. The kind of upgrade that matters when you're handling large files, editing on the go, or simply want your device to respond instantly. Now let's talk display, design, and connectivity. The iPad Pro M5 is available in both 11-inch and 13-inch sizes. The design stays ultra-thin, around 5.1 to 5.3 millimeters depending on size, and premium. Apple keeps the sleek aluminum/glass build with minimal change visually, but it's what's inside that counts. Display tech. We have the Ultra Retina XDR Tandem OLED display with ProMotion, 120Hz refresh, and up to 1600 nits when in HDR. Colors pop, blacks are deep, and the screen size plus refresh makes everything feel buttery smooth. If you're a creative, gamer, or just want the best visuals for content consumption, this is a big deal. Connectivity, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, Thread networking, the new N1 wireless chip and C1X modem for cellular. For those of you on the move or who demand future-proofing, that's a major tick. So you're asking, okay cool, specs look great, but what does that mean for you, the user? Let's break down use cases. If you're a creator, maybe you edit video on the go, design graphics, run 3D apps, use pro software. With the M5 iPad Pro, you'll notice the difference. Rendering times drop. Real-time playback gets smoother. The GPU can handle heavier workloads. The ray tracing engine? Yes, it's real. Imagine you're editing in Final Cut Pro for iPad or heavy motion graphics, less waiting, more doing. If you're a multitasker or productivity-focused, multiple apps open, split screen, drag and drop, external displays, all faster and cleaner. The enhanced memory architecture and the Thunderbolt/USB-C support ramp that up. If your workflow includes keyboard, pencil, monitor, you get a serious boost. If you're a gamer or want future-proof entertainment, a high-refresh display plus powerful GPU plus connectivity mean games look and feel better. And if you watch HDR content, the peak brightness and black levels make a difference. If you're a general power user, maybe you just want the best tablet you can buy. Even browsing, streaming, social media heavy, hooking up to external displays, you'll see smoother transitions, faster switches, less lag. It becomes closer to a laptop experience in feel, while staying a tablet form factor. Let's talk, should you upgrade? Because that's the key question for a lot of people in premium countries. If you currently have an older iPad, M1 or earlier, you will feel the leap. The M5 generation is a serious upgrade. If you're on the immediate previous Gen M4, you might still consider waiting unless you need the extra power. The gains are strong but depend on your use case. For example, if you casually browse, stream and do light productivity, your current iPad may still be perfectly fine. But if you buy for future-proofing, heavy workflows, or creative tasks, now is a good time. Apple themselves say the M5 unlocks endless possibilities for creativity and productivity. What about price and availability for our premium audience? The base 11-inch Wi-Fi model STA. RTS at around US $999. The 13-inch model starts at about US $1,299. Cellular versions cost more. Storage tiers: 256 GB, 512 GB, 1 TB, 2 TB, add up fast. For many premium market buyers, you'll factor region pricing, import duties, tax. But if you're dropping that kind of budget, you're getting a top-tier device. Let me drop some hidden gems or things you might not spot at first glance. The upgrade in unified memory bandwidth, almost equals 153 GB/s, means the system handles larger workloads more smoothly. Not just raw speed, but feel. The fast charge option, up to 50% charge in around 30 minutes when using the right adapter. External display support, for creatives who connect to bigger monitors. The Thunderbolt/USB-C support means higher refresh external displays and smoother workflows. Mentioned in Turn 0 Search 11. Accessory synergy: if you use Apple Pencil Pro, Magic Keyboard, external monitor, this iPad is more integrated into the tablet as laptop realm than ever before. Connectivity future-proofing: Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, Thread, C1X modem, means it's not just about today but for what's coming. Display quality with tandem OLED, promotion, high peak brightness and premium finish make this device visually stand out. Even outside specs, it's the experience. But before you rush to buy, a few wise reminders. Storage and RAM options matter a lot. If you're going heavy creative, jump to at least 1 TB and consider the model with 16 GB RAM, which seems tied to 1 TB per 2 TB models. Accessories cost extra. The best experience usually involves Pencil Pro, Magic Keyboard, maybe a monitor. That adds up. Consider your workflow. If you're not using apps or tasks that leverage the extra power, the upgrade may not feel as dramatic. Price difference between regions: if you're in a premium country, you may pay even more after taxes/import. Make sure your budget is aligned. Longevity: if you're buying for a 4 to 5 year horizon, this makes sense. If your current iPad is fairly new and copes with your tasks, you might wait. Now, let's talk what this means for US and other premium markets audience. Your expectations are usually high. You demand top build, top performance, future-proofing. This release meets many of those demands. If you buy this now, you're positioning yourself ahead for creative workflows, AR/VR integrations, down the road, heavy gaming, pro-level productivity. For freelancers, designers, architects, video editors, this iPad isn't just a tablet, it could replace a laptop for many tasks. For students and professionals in premium markets, it sets a high bar. If you're in the US, UK, Canada, Australia, Europe, Japan, you'll appreciate the connectivity, speed, and display. The question becomes, how will you use it? Alright folks, here's the fun part, my final verdict for you and my prediction for what this means going forward. If you buy the iPad Pro M5 today, you're getting what I believe is the best tablet available in 2025 for power users. It's a strong upgrade if you're using older hardware or pushing your iPad hard. If you're using the M4 iPad Pro and it still performs well for you, you could wait but keep an eye on the next gen. My prediction? This device will blur the line between tablet and laptop even further. We'll see more creatives using it as a primary device, more apps optimized for it, and accessory ecosystems evolve. I expect within 12 to 18 months we'll see more workflows where the iPad Pro is the hub, the centerpiece. This generation sets that tone. Thanks for hanging with me until the end. If you found this breakdown useful, do hit that like button, subscribe to Tap Tech and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the tech that matters. If you're excited about the iPad Pro M5, drop a comment below. Which size are you leaning towards, 11-inch or 13-inch? What storage tier? Let's talk. Until next time, I'm your host at Tap Tech reminding you, tech is about what you do with it, not just what's inside it. Choose tools that empower you. Stay curious, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.